Namba njeru ya andu aria maranyitwo ni murimu wa mukingo na mirimu iria gwatanagio andu kuonana kimwiri ni thiite na mbere na kwambatira makiria kuri mbeu njithi a miaka 15 nginyagia miaka 34 kanjo ya kugiririria gutherema kwa mirimu guku bururi-ini ikiuga namba ino ni ya kumakania. Kuringana na kanjo ino namba ino icungireirio ni mbeu njithi gwikuruhania na unyui wa njohi utari na kihaririro na uguo makaga kuhuthira mibira ya kwirigiriria kugwatania mirimu riria maraonana kimwiri na oho gucungiriria wohi wa nda cia tene.
Even older people who are supposed to use protection are not using it. So what the challenge then is that as HIV is reduced, then sexually transmitted diseases are going to increase.
Marimu na wanaivasha kuria maraheanaga mibira kureroriria mahenya ma ngari cia safari rally murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ino Ruth Laibon Masha oigite kaunti cia Nairobi, Mombasa, Nakuru na Githumo nikuo kwandikithitie namba nene ya Arwaru Mukigo.
We partnered with Nakuru County so that we take this opportunity to ensure that young people are having fun, but fun that is responsible. We are aware that the last time we had this event, there was a lot of URIA everywhere because of a lot of alcohol.
Oho ni ugite uhuthiri muru wa dawa cia kurigiriria murimu wa mukingo gutherema mwiri-ini PrEP niyongererekete na gicunji kia 6.5 kumana na andu kwaga kuhuthira mibira hamwe na kuongerereka kwa uhuthiri wa dawa cia gwithesha mwiri-ini ta heroin akiuga ni icungagiriria mitino ya mirimu ingi.
One of the diseases that we call the silent epidemic is chlamydia. And chlamydia, the challenge is that when they get exposed to early sexual debut, especially without condoms, what we know is that when they start becoming of reproductive age, we find a lot of infertility cases.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa urigitani kaunti-ini ya Nakuru Joyce Nsi oigite unyitaniri-ini wao na kanjo ino ni mahotete kwamba ceceni 7 cia guthimana murimu wa mukingo o hamwe na uheani wa mathomo ma kwirigiriria kugwatio murimu uyu.
Through the stakeholders and the NSDDC that they have taken their time to come with resources, come with trainers, come with counselors, talk to our youth.
Stanley Ngara uria urahurana na murimu uyu wa mukingo oigite nuthu ya gicunji kia namba njeru ya Arwaru Mukingo na kuhanda cia tene ni mbeu njithi akiuria thirikari kunyihia magoti ma uguri wa mibira amuno unyihie namba ino.
If we count the value of just one condom, like the next one is like 10 shillings. If you check the ARV consumption and the cost of ARVs per person, it's like 20,000.
Girifotera Kameme TV.